guys, it's Rachel Pitachado from grade 12 Tanzanite. So first, go sa Play Store. Then search Canva. Nakita niyo na ang may red circle. Amo na siya ang Canva kag amo na mo i-download. Then open Canva. Pagka-open sang Canva, mapili sang design para sa topic mo. Tap the text, then island mo sang imo ginya na research. Kag ang mga na-search mo, pwede mo man ibutang si mo notes kag i-paste tananda para hindi budlay. Kag ang kin-search mo nga na si mo note, i-copy mo kag i-paste mo di sa Canva. Kag ang tanan nga kin-search mo nga ara si mo note, ibutang mo sa Canva. I-copy mo lang kag i-paste mo. And by the way, ang topic ko gali is all about digital age and information. The digital age is also known as the information age. Is a period of characterized by the widespread use of digital technologies and the rapid advancement of digital communication. This era has fundamentally reshaped how we access, process, and share information, impacting various aspects of life, including business, education, and society as a whole. Kung tapos mo na siya edit, pwede mo na siya i-save. I-click mo lang na ang naga-circle nga red. Tumuko ng download, then click the PDF print. Then click the download and your design will be saved. That's all guys. I hope minatunan ka mo sa ako ng video. Once again, I'm Rachel Pitachado from grade 12 Tanzanite. Thank you for watching.
I want Chanel 9 boots. Saw these niggas steady jocking cause they know I'm the truth.